Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you should get this Hero GoPro Media Mod and 2 reasons why you should not. So stay tuned. Reason number 1, you can fit any external mics to this media mod. You have cold shoe mounts right here and to the left hand side, so you can fix this. I have a Rode Video Micro and I can fit easily like this. The setup becomes like this, and if it's really causing the problem or the dead cat, you can fix it this way too. So in a way it just fits and you just plug it in. So this is the setup that is very compact setup still, and you can see you can fit an external mic and you get a very good quality sound, especially if you're doing motor vlogging or cycling vlogging. You can use this setup to connect directly. You do not need the cumbersome the cages and the battery adapter that's sold by GoPro. Yep. Reason number 2, this GoPro Media Mod will act as a protective covering for your pride and joy, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. In unfortunate situations, if you happen to drop the GoPro, chances of it surviving would be pretty high, because this is a very sturdy case and this will protect the GoPro against the elements. Mind you, this is not waterproof, but it will protect your GoPro against this normal knickknacks and against the bruises that the normal GoPro and action camera goes through in its life. Reason number 3 that I can probably think about why you want to get this media mod would be if you want to fix external monitors. The GoPro already has a good screen, but if you want additional monitors for the GoPro, you can fix it on either side of the media mod. You can fix external the lights that's sold separately by GoPro, and you can fix any other third-party accessories that would take advantage of this cold shoe mount. So yes, that's reason number 3. Reason number 4 why you would want to buy this is because it has got the directional bidirectional mics. So if you do not really have an external mic, you can use these mics. It has this inbuilt wind filter that you can pop it in place like this, and it acts as a filter right now, and it's a good addition. I would say of late, in couple of iterations, the GoPro mic has become really nice, the inbuilt mic in the GoPro, but the GoPro Hero Media Mod mics are pretty good as well. It can stand on its own, and it has certain cons which I'm going to tell you a little ahead. But yeah, so this is the reason number 4 why you want to get the Hero Media Mod. Finally, reason number 5 why you want to get this media mod is if you're a motor vlogger, or if you're a cycling vlogger, or if you're a vlogger in general as well. So this is just built for you, because this is such a compact setup, I would say, because even if you are not using the external mics, if you are a motor vlogger, you need to, but if you're not using as well, but it's just a very compact setup. And an additional thing that I want to tell you, which is probably 0.5, I would say, that is the setup is such like that, like if you can see here, I can easily fit an ND filter. So yeah, so you can easily fit an ND filter. I was kind of skeptical at first. I have this Ulanzi ND filter, and I was skeptical at first whether it would fit or not, but it just fits the media mod perfectly. And so yeah, so if you're into cinematic, making cinematic videos as well for YouTube and for your own creations and collections, this media mod is probably you need to get it right now. So there you have it. So these are my 5 reasons why you should get the Hero GoPro Media Mod 9 and 2 reasons why you should not get it. If you do like the content that you're seeing right now, and if you want me to make more content like this in the future, hit that like button in this video and also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you later.